There's skeletons upstairs, like right here. Pull these. And
Really?
Yeah, of course.
Thanks for the fucking info.
you know, make sure you press
You
flash.
can use provoke. You can use provoke. You see the door in the distance? There's two
No.
tombers standing below it.
No,
Just
no.
jump there and
No.
target one and provoke one, so they run up to you.
No.
And then there's ghosts on the left.
No,
Just do it.
no.
No.
Just do it.
Where do I tank them all?
That's where I'm gonna show you. Just pull these.
No, fuck off. You pull them.
Okay.
Wanker. Go fuck yourself. David.
Fuck off.
We have Mr. Revius coming as well.
And now here. Quick.
What? The ghost.
Yeah. And then run over here. Oh shit.
Run over what?
Here, so the ghosts are ringing.
Okay.
So they come to you. Right.
Oh shit, I must not have had full mana.
Mana coming up.
I take it if you've got a shit tank or a shit healer, this can't be done.
Ref,
Pretty much.
something's coming
Okay.
behind you.
What? What's that?
Squeeze.
This is gonna be a good place.
What's he done?
Oh,
Mr.
run away with him.
Wiggles.
come here, Wiggles. Come here. Oh, come here. Oh, come here.
What's the
You gotta
turn
heal me.
called?
Oh!
Bye, Rev.
Fuck off.
Oh, you're dead, Rev.
Oh, fuck you.
We're actually free.
I just heard that you exclaimed things and looked over my shoulder. It's like, oh, Rev's health bar's empty.
We actually don't do it. No.
He was satisfied already. Did what he came for.
You're right.